Hey, today's video, how to air layer a fruit tree. That's right. You're sick and tired of paying all that money for trees? Then let's just use these trees that we have to make more. Hey, before we continue, you may hear some noise. They're working over in that field over there, knocking things down. So that's just how it is working outside. Now, the things that we need for this air layer, of course, we need the branch that we want to air layer. I'm gonna talk about that in a second. You need some potting soil. Any type potting soil would do. This is just my leftover Happy Frog. You're gonna need a sharp knife, and you're gonna need a gallon bag. You also, if you want, you're gonna use the rooting hormone. I heard that you can get away without using this. Some people use raw honey, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use exactly what I've seen that work. You need zip ties. To do one, you need 2 zip ties. And the last thing that you're gonna need, well, 2 things. You're gonna need some foil and you're gonna need some water. All right, so that's what you need to get started. So let's get right into it. All right, so first off, all I'm gonna do is take my bucket of potting soil mix, grab a handful, grab another handful, and I'm probably gonna do another 3 handfuls. All right, that should be good right there. Now move that out the way. All I'm gonna do is take my watering can and I'm just gonna pour a good bit of water in here, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna close this down, and I should have a lot of water in here. Don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and pour it out. I just want to mix it around, and I got this from a lead farmer. Everybody in his live said that it was 100% success rate. So hey, I gotta do it. I want more trees. All right, so, and I've done this once in the past last year, but I did it with the cup method because it looked cool. Guess what? It didn't work for me. Not saying that it doesn't work, it just didn't work for me. So I need to take that cup off that pear tree. All right, so all I'm gonna do is squeeze all the water out. I want to get all the water out. That's gonna be important. I probably put too much in there, but it's gonna work the same as long as I squeeze it out, because I want the soil to be real nice and moist. That's gonna be one of the keys. Make sure I can squeeze enough out. I think we almost done. We about done. All right, that should be good right there. Now let me look at how moist it is. Oh yeah, I like that. Shake that down. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side. So the next thing we got to do is go ahead and prepare the tree. So I'm gonna see if I can bring you in close so you can see what I'm doing. This is my first time doing it this way, so it should work. So let's go get a little closer. We family. All right, so what we're about to do is to prepare the tree. Now they say you can go 2 fingers wide, but I'm gonna go 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it, and you're gonna try to go all the way around. And if you do this, sometimes it depends on how much sap is running in the tree. If you do this, then you could pretty much get it all off, and you don't have to really peel it, but you want to really go around it to make sure that you got it marked correctly. All right, now go all the way around, do the same thing, because this is the area where our roots are going to grow. That's right, we're gonna speak it into existence. All right, I'm gonna go around in that same line. That is important, just like that. And it helps to have a sharp knife. All right, and then I'm gonna go straight down to the next line that I just made. Boom, I'm gonna go right over that one more time. Let's see if it's gonna come off. It could just normally just peel off. Oh yeah, Just like that. The sap must be running good. Look at that. Look at that peel. Oh, yeah, come on, baby. There we go. Now I got a couple pieces. But that's how that worked. Ooh, that was good. That was good. I'm excited. I know this gonna work. All right, now you see all that green? This may look bad, but you gotta scrape all the green off. That's probably why mine didn't take, even with that cup method. Lead Farmer said you want to get down to the white meat. All right, it may look bad, but this is what we need to get these roots to come up. You got to go all the way around. Do not leave any of the green layer, 'cause that's where it get all the nutrients from, and it'll just regrow. It'll scab over. Oh, it's coming off smoothly. Let me scrape that side. And you got to get all the way around it. Don't leave half of it undone, because we want the whole thing to be successful. Let me make sure I get this back side just like this, and we'll be going to the next step. So I'm gonna finish this up. All right, now I'm gonna put some water on my hand so I can go around this a little bit, getting it ready for the rooting hormone. Now I have the powder type, and like I said, you can use any type you want, but I'm gonna use the same exact ones that I saw Lead Farmer use. He used the powder, so I'm doing that too. Like I said, some people use honey. I'm making sure it got it stick. There we go. Get some on the back side, because I want to give it the best shot possible to a root. All right, so I'm gonna roll it around like this. Oh, I want it nice and tight. I'll put that flap back like that. Oh, here we go. I'm coming. Got the flap back like that. So now what I'm gonna do, I probably could have got a smaller bag, but this is what I'm using. All right, so make sure you can see it. Only thing I'm gonna do is make a little slit in the bag, a straight line, and this is where the chili dog method. So we're making our chili dog. It's like a bun. So if I open it up, let me cut through a little bit more. Come on, come on. All right. I open it up, and that's my little chili dog. Just like that. So all I'm gonna do is slide this around like this, and I'm gonna squeeze it, and now I'm gonna bring this flap around just like that. Now let's see if I can get this zip tie on here. And if you need to get another person to help you with the zip tie, hopefully I won't need it. Oh man, my zip tie is not that long. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I thought I had the longest zip tie. Put it in like this. If it's too long, let me see. I'm trying to remember if I can do it this way. If it's too short, then put 2 on 1. This is like real time. Trying to figure this out, MacGyver style. But no worries, I'm gonna get this somehow. Come on, baby. All right, so I got it. Squeeze it as tight as you can get it. And then you putting this on here to make sure it don't slide down. I just saw that was sliding down. I think I got enough for this one right here. You really got to squeeze it tight. I want that soil to stay in place. I'm gonna squeeze this one a little bit more, because if it slides down, it's not gonna be over that area, and then that's not gonna be good. It's not sliding. And now with the foil, all we gotta do is wrap this around. We're trying to cover this so that the sun doesn't hit it, and then I can come and take the foil off and see how it's working. So that's the reason why I'm just covering it from the sun. See, I might wrap it again. I was going to use this for another one because I'm gonna do more than one air layer today, but I'm just bringing you for the ride for this first one. Squeeze that together, and I think we good to go for my first one. I just want to show how many air layers I did with the chili dog method. So here it goes. All right, I got that one, I got 2, 3, if you can see, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can do more than one on the same tree. Now, a few other things when you're getting ready to air layer, just make sure that your branch doesn't have any fruit on it, because it's trying to put all that energy to growing fruit, and then you're not going to get all the energy going to the actual base down here where you're trying to establish the roots. So if you got any, and I'll double check, I know I don't have any more peaches on this limb, so I'm gonna go ahead, and if I did, I would take it off, because I want the roots to grow, because you got the entire summer. Normally it takes about 30 days, and sometimes it may take a little longer, but definitely if you have fruit on there, it's gonna take a lot longer, and you may get teeny roots. So I'm gonna come back, look at it in about 30 days, and I'm gonna be very excited when I see, and I'll bring you along with me. Now, I am going to do this inside branch here. I'm gonna hit this branch as well, because I want to get that out from being in the center, and I let it go. You can do this multiple branches on a tree. It's not gonna affect it. All right, so I just want to make that to be clear. So this is how you use the chili dog method to air layering a branch to get a tree. And you can do this with any tree. So peach tree, plum tree, you can even do it with a tree that's not a fruit tree. All right, but I want a lot more fruit trees, so that's why I'm doing it. Hey, let me know if you tried this method in the comments, because you can get many fruit trees from doing this. You can sell them, you can give them to friends, family members. You can do a lot of things with them. So this is just a win-win. All right, please share this video with others so that they can get more trees as well. This is Bear. I'll see you later. Bye.